J Squad.
You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. You're more than anybody else. And every day as a man, I feel cool. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Taija, and I'm here today with another video. I'm going to be trying baby food for the first time. Yes, I'm going to be tasting it and seeing how, I want to know how it really tastes. I really do. I really want to know how it tastes. So instead of doing the guessing game, I have 4 baby food with me. I have some peas, carrots, sweet potatoes, and I have pear and zucchini. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna try this. Oh my god. Ugh. That was disgusting. Okay, so it does not taste like applesauce. But it has a little seasoning. Ew.
If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home where she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be.
Okay, so I have carrots. Oh my gosh. That was disgusting. Okay, so I'm going to be trying some sweet potatoes. I'm scared. That tastes worse than the carrots. And what's sweet about the sweet potatoes? There's nothing sweet about those sweet potatoes. Oh, this is the last one. I'm going to be trying peas. Now these might be the only thing that tastes close to regular food. We just gonna mash up some food and then give it to them like that. Why? Who raised you? Who raised you to be doing that? Who raised you? So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know how I did. Also, comment what you want to see next. Okay? Bye.